A soot-covered sky, the hidden cost of space exploration. We marvel at the fiery trails of rockets, their roars echoing our excitement for space exploration. But what about the trails they leave behind? The quest to explore the cosmos comes with an earthly price. Pollution. While seemingly distant, rocket launches inject harmful substances directly into our atmosphere. This begs the question, how much are we willing to pay for our celestial ambitions? The exhaust of our ambition. What exactly do rockets emit? Rockets, while awe-inspiring, are essentially controlled explosions. This combustion process, often fueled by a mixture of liquid hydrogen and oxygen, produces various emissions. Among these are carbon dioxide, a major contributor to global warming, and water vapor, which can linger in the upper atmosphere. Additionally, depending on the fuel type, rockets can release soot, alumina particles, and even chlorine compounds, all of which impact our air quality and climate. Giants leaving their mark-notable launches and their environmental impact. These monumental events, while awe-inspiring, come with significant environmental costs. Consider the mighty Saturn V, the rocket that propelled humanity to the moon. This engineering marvel was a symbol of human achievement and ambition. However, each launch released approximately 2,800 tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to the growing concerns about climate change and environmental degradation. Fast forward to today, SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, while a marvel of engineering, still produces a considerable amount of pollutants. Despite advancements in technology, the environmental footprint remains substantial. It is estimated that a single Falcon Heavy launch generates the same amount of carbon dioxide as driving a car for over 2 million miles. This comparison highlights the significant impact of modern rocket launches on our atmosphere. The frequency of launches is also increasing, exacerbating the cumulative impact. As we continue to explore the final frontier, it is crucial to consider and mitigate the environmental consequences of our quest for the stars. Section 4, a drop in the bucket or a growing concern. Rocket pollution in context. Compared to the emissions from global transportation or industrial activities, rocket launches contribute a relatively small percentage of overall pollution. The vast majority of pollutants come from cars, planes, ships, and factories, which operate on a daily basis and in massive numbers. However, there are crucial factors to consider. The unique nature of rocket emissions sets them apart from other sources of pollution. Firstly, rocket emissions are released directly into the upper atmosphere, bypassing the lower layers where most pollutants are usually filtered out. This means they can have a more potent effect on ozone depletion and climate change, potentially accelerating these issues more than ground-level emissions. Secondly, the space industry is rapidly expanding, with new companies entering the market and existing ones increasing their launch frequencies. With more launches and more ambitious projects on the horizon, the cumulative impact of these emissions could become significant. Ignoring this growing source of pollution would be short-sighted. As we look to the stars, we must also consider the environmental cost and work towards sustainable solutions. Section 5. Greener skies ahead. Innovations in rocket propulsion. The good news is that the quest for sustainable space exploration is underway. Scientists and engineers are actively researching and developing alternative rocket fuels and propulsion systems. These include biofuels, which have a lower carbon footprint, and hybrid engines, which offer greater efficiency and reduced emissions. SpaceX, for example, is developing its Starship system with reusability at its core, aiming to significantly reduce the environmental impact per launch. Section 6. The final frontier of sustainability, balancing ambition and responsibility. The allure of space exploration is undeniable. It captures our imagination and drives us to push the boundaries of what is possible. It fuels our curiosity, inspires innovation, and offers a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. The quest to explore the unknown has always been a part of human nature. However, our pursuit of the cosmos cannot come at the expense of our planet. The environmental impact of space missions is a growing concern. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space exploration, we must prioritize sustainable practices. This means developing technologies that minimize harm to our environment. By investing in cleaner technologies such as renewable energy sources and eco-friendly materials, supporting responsible space agencies and companies, and fostering global collaboration, we can create a more sustainable future for space exploration. We can ensure that our journey to the stars leaves a legacy we can be proud of, both among the stars and here on Earth. By balancing ambition with responsibility, we can protect our home while reaching for the heavens.